Paano mag-register ng pang-text or call using Smart SIM? Open your Smart app, i-click ang plus sign, select amount kung magkano ang gusto mong i-load, then select payment method, kung Maya or Maya Credit, GCash, credit or debit card. For example, tong sa akin, GCash ang gagamitin ko, pambayad sa 50 pesos load. Ilalagin ko lang ang GCash number ko at may marireceive akong 6-digit authentication code sa aking cellphone number. Then, ikikiin ko yung 6-digit code and enter my 4-digit MPIN. Click Pay 50 pesos. Proceed. Load added. You added 50 pesos load. You will receive notification when you receive your load. Ganyan lang po kadali at napaka-accessible niya.